Students, the next topic is criteria of divisibility. Okay, means what? If suppose one number is given, then without doing actual long division, only by observing the number, we can say whether the given number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and all. Okay. So, this method is called as, it is defined as criteria of divisibility. The method in which without doing long division, only by observing the numbers, we can say whether the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and on. So, that method is named as criteria of divisibility. In that, first one see, we will learn divisibility by 2. Means, whatever number may be, 9-digit number is there or 10-digit number is there, only by looking at the number we should able to tell that whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. How is it? See here, how to find out that a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at its unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Out of these, if any digit is there at the unit place of the given number, then we can say yes, that number is divisible by 2. No need to do division that time. In other words, an even number is divisible by 2. Any even number is divisible by 2. For example, I'll tell you examples here. Suppose 2, 1, 4, 8, 6, 2, 9, 4. Okay, this one number is there. See how many digits number is there? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8-digit number is there. Now, we have to tell whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So, no need to do the long division. Only concentrate at the ones place. Okay, only concentrate at the ones or units place of the number. Now, what is there at the unit place? 4. Correct? And 4 is there divisible by 2. See here, what is the test? What is this divisibility? Out of 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any digit is there at the units place or ones place, we can also say. So, that number is divisible by 2. So, here see, 4 is there at the unit place. So, the number without doing division, we can say yes, the number is divisible by 2. Followed? Now, this was the divisibility by 2. What is important? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers, these digits you will have to keep in mind. Out of this, if any one is there at the unit place of the given number, then the given number, however big it may be, it is divisible by 2. Next is divisibility by 3. So, how we can say whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not? For that, another method is there. Test is there. What is that? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits divisible by 3. Okay. If the addition, suppose, see here, for example, I'll give you, if the number is 75432, okay, 75,432, this one number is there. And we have to say, without doing the long division method, we have to say whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Then how? So, for that, what you have to do? You have to just add each digit given in the number. That is 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. See, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. Now see, 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Yes, it's there in the test table. It is divisible. So, this given number also we can divide by 3. Directly we can see. How? What we have to do? We have to just add the digits, each digit given in the number. And if that addition is divisible by 3, whatever answer will come, if it is divisible by 3, then yes, the given number is divisible by 3. This is the divisibility by 3. Okay. Now next is divisibility by 4. This is also very easy. A number, suppose any number is given. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digit 00 or divisible by 4. Means what? If any number is given, however big it may be, you will have to just look at the last two digit of that number. Okay, and whatever that last two digit, if that last two digits are 00, then also that number is divisible by 4. Or if the last two numbers are divisible by, means last two numbers makes a particular number, no? So if that number is divisible by 4, then also we can say yes, the given number is divisible by 4. For example, here, one example I'll give you. 21936. Okay, 21,936. Whether it is divisible by 4 or not, how to see? You'll have to observe the last two digits. Last two digits make a number 36. Correct? Now 36, is it divisible by 4? Yes, 4 9s are 36. So the given number is also divisible by 4. Now suppose here 619300. Whether it is divisible by 4, actual doing long division, we can say last two digits we have to observe. If last two digits 00 or the number which are divisible by 4 is there, then we can. So see here two zeros are there. That means we can divide the number by 4. This is the divisibility by 4. Followed? Now next, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. Okay. Means what? If at the units place 0 or 5, out of this any digit is there, then the number is divisible by 5. For examples here. And look at that, these two numbers. Now we have to, only by looking at the numbers we have to say whether it is divisible by 5 or not. So for that what we have to do? For that we have to see its last digit. Okay, if the last digit is 0 or 5, see here 0 and 5. So both these numbers are divisible by 5. If it would have been 1 here, then could we divide it? No, because which digit we want? Either 0 or 5. Otherwise, if these digits are not there, then we cannot divide. Now here 0 and 5 are there. So yes, these two numbers are divisible. Okay. Now next is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Means if a given number is divisible by 2 also and by 3 also, if by these two numbers also if we can divide, then yes, the given number is also divisible by 6. Now we are knowing divisibility test for 2 and for 3. By using we can find out whether the number is divisible by both 2 and 3 or not. One example we'll take. This is the number. We have to say whether it is divisible by 6 or not. For that first we have to see whether it is divisible by both 2 and 3 or not. Now look for 2. For divisible by 2, what we have to see? We have to see it, look at its units place. 8 is there. So yes, we can divide it by 2. Now can we divide it by 3? How to find out? Add all the digits. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. And 25 plus 8, how much? 33. So 33, can we divide it by 3? Yes. Means this number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. As we can divide this by 2 and 3, we can divide it by 6 also. Followed? Now we will learn divisibility by 7. if the number is given, then how to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. For that, see, particular steps are there. First step, take the last digit of the number. Okay. Second, double the last digit and subtract from the number consisting of rest of the digits. Then, if difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. I will show you. See here. One example I have taken. First one is 357. What is the first step? First step, take the last digit of the number. This 7. Okay. We have to double it. Double the last digit. Double means multiplied by 2. 7 2s are what? 14. Correct? After making double of it, it became 7 plus 7, 14. And subtract from the number consisting of rest of the digit. Now what? Which digit remained? This 35 remained. So subtract from remaining digit, subtracts this double of this. Double of this is 14. So here 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 21. 21, is it divisible by 7? Yes, 7 3s are 21. So this number also can be divisible by 7. Followed? Now another example, see. This is second one. 1253. What we have to do? First, take the last digit, double it. What is the double of it? 6. Okay. And subtract it from remaining number, that is 125. 125 minus 6 is 119. Now 119, can we divide it by 7? See here. Yes, 7 ones are 7. 11 minus 7, 4. Take 9. Correct? 17 sevens are 119. So, yes, it is divisible by 7. 119 is divisible by 7. So, this number, whatever is given, 1253, it is also divisible by 7. Okay? Now, see here. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digit is divisible by 8. For example, here, this is one example. What we have to do? We have to take the last 3 digit. Okay. This last 2 digit, 232. If it is divisible by 8, then the whole number we can divide by 8. Now see, 8 2s are 16. Now 23 minus 16, how much? 7. And this 2. And 8 9s are 72. Means we can completely divide 232 by 8. That's why this number also we can divide by 8. Followed? In 8, what we have to do? We have to take the last 3 digit. The number formed by last 3 digit, we have to take that number 232 or whatever, and then divide it by 8. If it is completely divisible, if remainder is 0, we are getting, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. Now next, divisibility by 9. It's very easy. It is same like as 3 divisibility. In 3 divisibility of 3, what we were doing? We were adding each digit given in the number, and if the that addition is divisible by 3, the number was divisible by 3. Here also, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, here, 918. 9 plus 1 plus 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 can be divided by 9? Yes, 9 2s are 18. So, this 918 also divisible by 9. Follow? Now, next one is divisibility by 10. It's also very easy. What you have to, like test for 5. Divisibility for 5. For divisibility of 5, what was there? We have to look at the units place, last digit. If 0 and 5 was there, then yes, the number was divisible by 5. Here what? A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. If only 0 is there at the units place as a last digit, then the given number is divisible by 10. Look at this big number. Only by looking at the last place. Here 0 is there. So yes, this number is divisible by 10. Here see, can be divided by 10. Look at the last digit. It is 5. It's not 0. That means we cannot divide it by 10. Follow? Now see the last divisibility by 11. To check whether a number is divisible by 11, add the digits at the odd positions counting from the left. From the left, whatever the digits at the odd positions are there, that we have to add. And then add the remaining digits. After adding the digits from odd positions, remaining all digits also add. If the difference between the two sum is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. For example, see, this is the very big number. Okay. According to that, what we have to do? We have to take the digits at the odd position. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7. Then this is 8 and this is 9. And add this. Digits at the odd positions, add. Okay. What is the addition? See. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 7, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. And 19 plus 5, 24. Now, remaining which digits are there? See, 4. Add them also. 4, then 8, plus 9, plus this 3. Add it. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. And 21 plus 3, 24. Okay. Now see, look at these two. 24 minus 24, the difference is 0. That means the given number is divisible by 11. If the difference would have been 22, 33 or whatever the number which is divisible by 11, then also the given number is divisible by 11. Followed?